Ready?
Yep. Good job. Good job. Good job. No straps, huh?
No.
Now, is it easier for you to come back over here and then just
Yeah,
work your way?
I'm gonna go start right here and then work that way.
Okay. When you get ready to pull it up, remember it's deep, so you're going to go up and then go over. So don't just pull it out like that.
Okay.
When you did that, you didn't cut all the way through. You got a little spot.
Okay,
you went
I
up.
see it,
Yeah. You need to make sure that when you do this, you're cutting up all the way through there.
Okay.
Nice. I think that'll do it. Yeah. Yeah, I think that'll do it right there.